Hello and welcome to Creador. In this video, we will show you how easy it is to use the Google Classroom to post assignments, conduct exams, grade students and make class announcements. Under Stream tab is where you post class announcements. This is the space where you can interact with the classroom and also view posts put up by students. You can also put up comments under each post. To make a class announcement, click here. You can select whether you want to post it for all the students or some of them by selecting the names of the students from the drop-down list. Type in your announcement. Attach any file from Drive or your computer, any video or links. Click on the down arrow to save your draft for a later time or to schedule your announcement, or you can post it right away. To schedule your post, select the date and time you want your post to appear in the stream. You can see the saved announcement here. You can also delete it by clicking on the bin icon next to it. To post any classwork, go to the Classwork tab and click on Create. You can create assignments, quiz, questions or materials. You can also organize your classworks into topics of your choice. You can also rearrange the order of the topics by simply clicking and dragging. You can rename, delete or share the link to your topic. Start your class by posting materials for the students to study. Give the material a title and add in any description if you want. You can add any link, file or video. Or you can create Google Docs, slides, sheets, drawings, and forms. You can select for all students or select some students. Organize your material by selecting the topic you want it under, or you can post it independently by selecting no topic. Similar to announcements, you can save or schedule your material. You can also edit or delete your material by clicking here. You can also post assignments, which is just exactly the same process. The only difference here is that you can create a due date, and students can be graded on the basis of their work. You can also make it an ungraded assignment. Let your students know the maximum marks that can be awarded by typing here. You can grade the student after they have handed in their work. Select the assignment due date by selecting from the calendar. You can also choose a due time. Select the topic and post your assignment. You can also post single questions. It can be a short answer question or a multiple choice type. For multiple choice, you can create the options by simply typing in the options here. You may also add instructions to the students if you wish. Simply select your due date and time and schedule, or post the question right away. To view the status of an assignment or question, simply click on it. Here you can see the number of times each option has been selected, and the number of students who have done the assignment. You can also make use of the Google Calendar to schedule your classworks and add reminders. This will be synchronized across all your devices with the same Google account. Conducting exams is also easy. Select Create Quiz Assignment. The process is exactly similar to posting questions, but in quiz, you can add more questions, as per requirement, and award points. You can also reuse your posts from any of your previous works or class. Under the People tab, you can see the list of teachers and students present in the class. You can add more teachers by clicking the Invite button. Invite students by clicking Invite Students button. You can edit your class details by clicking the gear icon on top right corner. You can also edit your grading system by scrolling down. To see all your assignment statuses, click on to review. You can view the number and details of students who have handed in the assignment. You can also edit your profile settings, such as changing the profile picture or controlling the notification settings. You can also view any archived classes here. You can also view your class grades by directly clicking here. Please like and share this video if it has been informative to you. Subscribe to Creador for live updates on new videos. Thank you.